Do you know what is better than a viral video? A viral video that will help your business. Hello everyone, I'm Roy Garcia, and on this video, we are talking about the ultimate checklist for creating killer short form videos. We've got 6 points that we want to share to you today. And let's start with number 1. The first step in creating a successful short form video is to define your objective. Most videos that we see online, it's just pretty random, people dancing in to and fro and all of that with the latest viral song. You don't want to do that per se. In order for you to make an effective short form video, it has to have a definite purpose. Now, before you even create a single video, take time to identify what are the goals of your video? What do you want to achieve with your video? And we want to share 4 points with defining your objective. You can educate. You can teach your audience something new or share information about a particular topic or subject. For example, you are a business coach and you want to create a video explaining how you can set achievable goals or create a successful marketing plan to your audience, and you're going to entertain. There's always room for entertainment in the videos that you do. You want to make sure that you also show them a certain personality as a person in your business. You want to create fun, engaging, and entertaining videos with a purpose. For example, you may be a restaurant owner or a cafe owner. You want to create a video like you're creating lattes, or like if you're a bartender, you're flipping bottles in there. So you're entertaining, but there's a purpose for that. You want to showcase something. You want to inspire. You want to create a video that inspires your audience to take action or make a change. So let's say, for example, you're a nonprofit organization. You want to create a video about the people that you're serving and the stories behind it, the people whose lives are changed because of what you do. We've seen a lot of that online. Of course, you don't want to manipulate. That's not the point of the video. The video is to inspire and to encourage people, and eventually they might join in to your cause, right? Promote a product or a service. You can create a video that can promote your service. You can promote your product, encourage them to purchase. You can show them how to use them, what would be the benefits of using them. So these are 4 examples. And if you have other examples in terms of defining the objective, we want to hear from you. Put it on the comments section below. Now listen, whatever your objective is, make sure it's clear and specific. This will help you create targeted, engaging, and compelling content to achieve your goals. And we don't want to waste their time. Number 2, keep your clips short. Attention spans are short and viewers are more likely to engage with concise and to the point content. There's a study that goldfish have more attention span than human beings nowadays, and I think that's going to get worse as time goes by. So we need to keep our clips short, and I guess that's the reason why it's called clips, because it's supposed to be short. Focus on one central point. If you're trying to cover too many topics or issues in one short video, it's going to overwhelm your potential viewers. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you just have one objective, one focus, one topic per video. Keep your script concise. Write a script that is clear and easy to understand. Avoid jargons and highfalutin words, technical terms. You want to make it as simple and as clear as possible that even a 5-year-old, a 7-year-old can understand. Use visuals to tell the story. Use photos, use videos, use effects, anything that is visual that can help tell and support the story. And edit ruthlessly. Now, when we say ruthlessly, you go and check your video, watch it over and over and see, is the message coming across the way you want it? Is the video telling the story properly? Is the video doing what it's supposed to do? So we're not looking for perfection here, but you want to make sure that the edit is done clearly and properly. Remember, your short video should be under 60 seconds or less. It maximize engagement and keep your audiences focused on your content. I know there are a lot of social media channels, they're now allowing more than 60 seconds. But if you can't send your message across in 60 seconds, then we've got a problem. Because again, we go back to the first point that the attention span of people is shorter, because if they're longer, then you might lose your audience. So, number three, it's vital to grab your viewers' attention immediately. How we're going to do this? Here are a few examples. Start with a hook. What is a hook? It is the theme of your video. It's a way for you to grab the attention of your audience and make them keep watching your video. This is like a typical thing that you would always see for infomercials, but it still works. For example, are you tired of, and then state your problem, right? Are you tired of finding clients every day? Are you tired of having no results with the videos that you do? That is a hook. And for those who will relate to your hook, they will stay with the video because that is something that they can relate to. You can use visual and auditory elements. Don't just use photos, don't just use videos, use the right background music, use the right sound effects. Of course, you do not want to go overboard. If we go overboard with that, then you are also clogging up the message. You don't want to distract people from the actual message. You want to make sure that you're using them sparingly and effectively. Be creative. Use creative approaches to grab the viewer's attention. For example, you can use humor, drama, suspense. Just make sure that the creativity doesn't go overboard. Make your videos visually appealing. When it comes to lighting, when it comes to sound, if you want to really just go down to the basics, you have to make sure that you're well lighted and the sound is good. You don't want to have a nice looking video and the sound is terrible. Remember, the first few seconds of your video are crucial in grabbing the viewer's attention and keep them engaged. What will set you apart from your other competitors is just a few seconds. If the first 3 to 5 seconds are not catchy enough, then they will not watch. So please take note of that. Number 4, deliver real value. Your video should provide your viewers with usable information. How many of us have watched videos and after watching them is like, wow, I just wasted 60 seconds of my life. I'm not going to get that back anymore. That's what you don't want to happen with your videos. You have to deliver real value. Now, 4 ways to do this. You can use your video to teach your viewers something new about your business, about your product, about your field. I'm always interested in learning something new. The ones that really I am gravitating to are the ones that I want to learn from. Solve a problem. Use your video to help viewers solve a problem that they are facing. I am loving all these DIY kind of videos, maybe because of age, or maybe because I'm a dad or whatever, but I do love watching these DIY videos, how to fix a faucet or how to fix a toilet. And if that's a problem that it's out there and it's a problem that somebody can help me solve, then hey, I'm hooked with your video. You can use your video to inspire viewers to take action or make changes. You want to tell stories about the people that you were able to help and the lives that were changed. Hey, that's great. We're just sharing what you are doing and how your organization or your business has made an impact in other people's lives. And people can relate to that, right? You can use your video to entertain your viewers. For example, some of them, they're dancing and they're doing some pointing things on the screen. They're pointing at certain text, like 5 ways to make money online, and they're dancing or they're pointing. And like, oh, okay, I'm entertained and I'm learning something. So you may want to consider something like that. Now, remember, whatever your approach you take, ensure your video provides value to your audience. Your viewers will engage with your content and even share it to other people. And this is very true. A lot of videos that I share to friends and family are videos that add value to them. Maybe something inspirational, maybe a fun fact, maybe a new restaurant that's opened in our city or in our town. And to me, I think that's valuable because at the end of the day, it's not just about entertaining them. It's about, will they be better with the videos and the content that you share? If they are, then that's good. Continue doing them. Number 5, add subtitles. Your short form videos become more accessible and engaging with a wider audience. I want to be honest with you, in the beginning, I couldn't really appreciate subtitles because I think of it as something distracting. They can already hear me, they can already see what I'm doing, they can already hear what I'm saying. Why do we need subtitles? But as I've been working with content creation, I have a much better appreciation for subtitles. And I hope that you will too. Adding those captions on those videos can help get your message across. Subtitles can also be helpful for tutorial and educational videos, more specifically if there are certain terms that are difficult to spell, but in the subtitles, they can always check it out and say, oh, so that's what he said. And they can follow along in the tutorials or the education videos. Videos with accents or technical terms. Because we are a global force, videos come from all over the world. Not everybody may speak fluently in terms of their English, or there may be certain accents that are a little thicker than usual and it's kind of difficult to understand. Subtitles will help ensure viewers will understand what the content is. Let's not look at subtitles as a bad thing. Let's look at subtitles as a blessing because it does help get the message across. And we want to say this: subtitles, use it wisely and properly. Make sure that the subtitles are not distractions. Make sure that the fonts are readable. Don't use script fonts. Make sure that they can be readable in color, that they do not blend in the background, because that's the whole idea of subtitles. We want them to be readable. Point number 6 is have a call to action. Tell your audience what you want them to do next. You hook them, you inform them, you entertain them. They gave you time. You want them to act on the video. And some of the examples would be to ask viewers to subscribe. And we see that all the time. A lot of people are saying, subscribe to my channel, follow my account. And I don't think people will mind following you if they can grab a lot of value from you, right? Direct viewers to your website. After all the videos, just tell them, for more information, go to this website and put it on the screen. Use your subtitles. Use it on your description. You want to direct them to your website because you want them to get to know more about you or get to know more about your product or service. You want to also encourage your viewers to share. Say something like, if you found this video helpful, please share it to your friends with the share button below. Again, your purpose is to get your message across to as many people as possible in the fastest time, in the most credible way. You're giving them permission to share your video if they got value from your video. Invite viewers to engage, just like what we're doing right now. We're asking you on this video if there are certain things you agree on, disagree on. If there are more suggestions that you have, go ahead and put it on the comment section below. You can even ask them, buy this product, whatever it may be. Make sure that your call to action is specific and clear. Tell your viewers exactly what you want them to do next and make it easy as possible for them to take action. It's not rocket science. Just tell them, push a button, add a comment below, thumbs up, like this video, whatever it may be. It's clear and specific for instruction you want them to do. And if they get value from you, they will not mind doing what you are asking them to do. Let's summarize our checklist. Number 1, define the objective. Number 2, keep it short. Number 3, grab your viewers' attention. Number 4, deliver real value. Number 5, add subtitles. And number 6, have a call to action. Now, if you have a 7th, an 8th, a 9th, you have 5 more, maybe we can add some more in this checklist. Please help us. Go to the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once you create all of these short clips, what are you going to do about it? You're going to upload it to your favorite social media channel. And unfortunately, sometimes it's very tedious to upload it from one channel to another. What if I tell you there's a much better way to spread your videos across all your social media platforms? And that's where repurpose.io comes in. You just upload it to one channel, and with just a few setups of the workflow, from TikTok, you can have your videos automatically posted to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and all the other social media channels that you may want. Now, I can talk about this all day, but I would encourage you to try it out for yourself. In fact, we're giving a free 14-day trial. Just go to repurpose.io/free and sign up. For 14 days, you can try the software and see how it's going to help change your short form content game. And there you have it, the ultimate checklist for creating killer short form videos. But don't just watch this, do what we're asking you to do. Take the tips, apply it to your videos, and see how it's going to give so much benefit to you and to your business. Again, thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Roy Garcia, and we'll see you again next time.